In our fast-paced world, it's easy to rush through our days without truly seeing what's around us. But when we slow down and open our senses, we begin to recognize the extraordinary in the ordinary. The first rays of the morning sun, leaves dancing in the breeze, the reflections of silhouettes within a shop window. These are the threads that make our lives richer. Take a moment each day to breathe deeply and look around. Notice the colours, textures and sounds that often go unnoticed. Here we find true joy and connection. So let's cherish the art of noticing. Let's celebrate the beauty that surrounds us, and in doing so, enrich our lives in ways we never imagined.